Hi, da Fabrizio, and welcome to the second lesson about Google API's client library for PHP. In this lesson, we see the call to the service. I remember that this is a guide on Italian language, and so for have this guide on your language on the site that I indicate the URL, you can use this label on the left where there is all the language and you can select your language without problem. Okay, we go and we read about the guide, the tutorial about Google API client library. We share with the Google API key to where we had left from lesson 1. A small clarification: who have acknowledged to industry will probably have already guessed that this authentication mechanism actually in its infancy called SAML. At the start it is called SAML, and that is designed for line transaction, line safe. Sorry. This is tell you that having with OAuth are slightly different. There is nothing to replicate the previous protocol. But before going any further, it should therefore make the following promise. If you need to use the API key, Google know that the company guarantees the use only up to 100 queries a day. Above this limit, you will have to pay an amount depending on the service request. In any case, we are not talking about big money. Let's now begin to implement some code in PHP to use pretty self-explanatory. And you see the call to the library that you have done the download with the Composer in the next step, and there is you must use the object Google client with the set application name and set developer key, where there is my application and there is my simple API key that we need for use the library. And now we'll go to do how to obtain this code to access. Where we see that there is a call to some library provided by Google, with which will later and a request of your API key we saw how to get in the previous lesson. Let's say if you want to request a Google Books, one of many Google products to see in particular books. This is a code is taken directly from the site of Google, so we do, and this is the code to insert on the file, where for each I am looking if there is some error, but all is correct, and where for each obviously need to iterate all the parameters that are found. And for this lesson is all, and see you to the next lesson of Google API. Okay, bye bye from Fabrizio.